First of all, I'm coming in with Colourpop's Checkmate as my transition color. Then I'm going to be putting Sugarpill's Midori into my crease and blending that out. Next up, I'm going to be packing Acid Berry onto my lid with a dense packing brush. Blending that into my crease color. You really don't need to be all that clean with this because we are going to be putting glitter over the top of it, so it doesn't really matter. Going to be coming in with NYX's Glitter Primer and putting that all over my lid now. Alright, so for today's look I'm going to be using two different glitters. One's a little bit more chunky and one's a little bit more fine milled, and it is a little bit lighter and darker for some definition. So the first one I'm going to be using is going to be the chunkier one, and I'm just adding that with my fingers because it is a little bit chunkier, so it's easier to get off my hands. The second one I'm going to be adding in is one by Bitzy. You can find this at Sally Beauty Supply. Quite a few different tones of green in it, but that is why it is perfect for this look. I'm going to be adding more of the glitter primer onto my lid with the same brush that I was using before. If you find that you're getting any on your face, which is kind of inevitable with glitter, I just take a little spoolie brush. This one is actually attached to a Colourpop pencil, and I just kind of spoolie it off. Also, when I'm putting any glitter on my face at all, I always keep a trash can right down below. Otherwise, my entire room ends up getting filled with green glitter, and, well, anybody who knows Mikey or Glam and Gore on YouTube knows the struggle. It basically just aids in maybe not having glitter in every orifice of your room for the next 55 million years, but it's still all over my hands. Next off, I'm going to be taking the Get Lined Kajal eye pencil from Femme Couture, and I'm just going to be lining my bottom waterline, dragging it down just a smidgen. Coming back in with Midori on a small pencil brush, and I'm just going to be putting that on our base that I just put down of the black. Then I'm going to be blending it out first with the Sugarpill Acid Berry and then with Checkmate again by Colourpop. And to add a little bit more color, I'm going to be coming back with the NYX Gentle Eye Pencil in Milk and putting that in my inner corner. Then using Sugarpill's Buttercupcake once again on my packing brush, I'm going to be putting that on the base I just put down. This though is just going to be another form of a base, as I am going to be taking Two Birds by Colourpop Cosmetics and putting that over. Buttercupcake is more acting like a base so that the color can be more yellow toned. And I'm just blending that into my under eye a little bit more until it goes about a fourth of the way through. Then I'm taking my Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara and just coating my top lashes. Now you could totally go more subtle with this look, but I wanted to go even